actor of Karma. Starting off with Crystal Miller, Paolo Paraiso, Direct Albert Lanitan, and Direct Zyro. And of course, joining us later will be Ren and Sid Lucero. Hi guys, hi again. Yeah, quick message to our friends here.
Thank you again. Thank you so much for the support sa team of Karma. And thank you
sila sa akin. Guys, starting tomorrow, June 19, nationwide. Bigyan sa naman.
Karma mo!
Sana SM.
Yes, everybody, June 19, please do watch sa birthday po namin. Napaka-importante bagay po. Sana pupunta kayo ng sinihan, go out, bring your friends and family. Karma, June 19, please do watch. Thank you.
Ayan, yung ipapalabas na pinagpaguran yung pelikula. Congrats sa inyo. Anong klaseng action bang i-offer ng Karma?
May makakahinga. Ganun level. Something intense, action-packed.
Action! Barila, sabog, action!
Madaming sabugan na magaganap and madugo. So, intense.
Of course, this movie is led by you. In your own words, anong klaseng Ren bang mapapanood natin?
Ito yung red na never yung pang nakita before.
Yes.
And
Direct,
hindi ko pa nga nakikita yung sarili ko
do
before
you
na
have any
ganito.
particular
First time kong makikita at mapapanood sa movie. Hindi ko pa napapanood. So, kinakabahan po ako actually. Pero yeah, exciting. Kasi different genre, iba naman yung side na makikita ng mga tao. So hopefully, ma-appreciate nila.
Let's invite the Filipino audience to watch Karma in cinema.
Yes! Yes! Karma! June 19, bukas na po yan. Sana panoorin niyo po.
All SM cinemas nationwide. Actually, any cinema nationwide.
Yes! First day, please, panood po kayo. Of course, directed by Albert Lanitan.
That's a giveaway.
Thank you.
That's true. Oo nga naman. And now please welcome on stage Sid Lucero and Ren Escanio, ladies and gentlemen.
Guys, first night's premiere. Tomorrow we can catch the screening anywhere in the country. Just pick one. Watch it. The more people to watch, the more movies we can make.
Yes. Ren, before we go in the cinema, please.
Yes, hi everybody. Thank you so much for coming. And inibitahan po namin kayo na sana nakikiusap kami panoorin po yung pelikula namin Past First Day. Napaka-importante po nun para mas marami po tayo magawang pelikula. Supportahan natin ang mga local films natin. Unahin niyo na po kami. Bukas po, June 19, of course, directed by Albert Lanitan, everybody!
Best of luck to you guys.
Sarado! Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Sana po ma-enjoy nyo at ma-appreciate nyo po yung pelikula natin, Karma.
Ladies and gentlemen, I cast and directors of Karma. Congratulations in advance.
And 7 as Happy Infinite Productions and Viva Films bring you the red carpet premiere of Karma, starring the veteran action star Roy Vincent, Paolo Paraiso, Crystal Miller, multi-awarded actor Sid Lucero, and of course the one and only Ren Escanio. Kasama rin po natin dito si Leandro Baldemor at Mon Confiado. This is a film written and directed by the top-rated TV series director Albert Langitan. And of course, now we're very lucky to have with us the cast and directors of Karma. A round of applause for them, please. Starting off with Crystal Miller, Paolo Paraiso, Sid Lucero, and of course, Ren Escanio. Kasama rin natin, of course, Direct Zyro and Direct Albert Langitan. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Hi guys, how does it feel that tonight na talaga the premiere of your hard work?
Sobrang excited. Ngayon lang namin mapapanood tong pelikula na to. At sobrang nakakatuwa na talagang sinuportahan nyo yung pelikula namin. Thank you so much. Talagang mag-e-enjoy kayo sa pelikulang to at abangan nyo yung mga intense na scenes dito.
Oo nga, napakaraming eksenang kaabang-abang dito. Kaya sana mag-enjoy kayo. Maraming salamat na nandito kayo. Thank you, and enjoy.
It's been a while since we've had like a homegrown action film. Medyo hindi siya madaling gawin, especially in modern standards and finances. But we made it work.
And sana makita niyo kung gaano kami nag-enjoy at sana mag-enjoy din kayo. Yan lang. Thank you for coming so much.
Hi everybody! Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo tonight. Renchanted! Hey guys! Guys, sila yung lagi naging pag-live streaming ng Lumon Ka sa Lupa. Sila yon. Sila yung solid ng sumusupport sa atin. Anyway, maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mga press na nandito ngayon, mga kaibigan po namin sa media. Maraming salamat po. Sana tulungan niyo po kami na mas spread tong pelikula namin. Makahakot pa po tayo ng more support sa mga tao. Kailangan po natin ngayon to na mahikayat yung mga tao na manood sa sinehan. Puntahan tayo, panoorin tayo. So sana po, supportahan ninyong lahat at spread nyo pa. First day, June 19 po, ang Karma. Showing na po kami in cinemas nationwide. So, sana po, supportahan niyo po. Maraming salamat.
Direct Zyro.
Maraming salamat po doon sa mga ka-chat namin sa live. Thank you po sa inyo. Thank you po sa mga media nagpunta. Sana po supportahan niyo po yung film namin. Pinaghirapan po namin to. Nagbuwis-buhay po kami para dito. At para rin po sa Philippine cinema. Thank you po.
And lastly, Direct Albert.
Again, thank you so much sa lahat ng pumunta sa premiere ng aming pelikula, Karma. Kahit alam nating maulan, matraffic. And I hope makapag-generate tayo ng tamang attention sa publiko para madagdagan pa yung mga manunood. I mean, yung mga cinema kung saan mapapanood. Kasi critical po bukas, June 19, ang first day ng showing ng Karma. Mahirap siyang gawin. It's an action film, alam natin yon. Sanay tayo manood ng mga rom-com or other genre, drama. Pero yung action, para lang siguro magkaroon ng variety at may pakita natin na kaya rin natin gumawa ng action film na mataas ang kalidad. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, directors and our cast members of Karma. A round of applause for all of them, ladies and gentlemen. And please take your seats because we will begin the screening shortly. Thank you guys. Off to the next. Oh, photo op please, and then let's hop onto the other cinema after. This is a reminder to the public that making any copies of the movie Karma is a violation of Republic Act 10088 or Anti-Camcording Act of